What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm bringing you my choice of new World Cigar of the week, and this week I've gone for one of our exclusives and an absolutely just very interesting cigar. And if you've not tried the tobacco from this region before, I suggest that you do, and this would be the perfect place to start. It is the Inka Red Bombaso Natural. Now this is just a beast of a cigar. It's a 4x60 Bombaso beast. It's kind of almost like it looks like some artillery. It looks like some very big sort of shells of a gun or something like that. It's heavy in the hand, and it's got 100% Peruvian tobacco in there. Now, the Inka range is one of the only cigar ranges in the world that use 100% Peruvian tobacco, and the tobacco has been specifically blended and aged to give optimum flavour. And because we're able to kind of oversee that and oversee the quality control, we're able to bring you these exclusive cigars at an unbelievable price. I mean, this cigar alone, you're looking at a good hour and a half, maybe even hour and 45 if you take your time with it, at an unbelievably low price, and you won't be able to find these anywhere else in the UK. But what about the flavours? What are we going to expect from this red label? So what we're going to get in the first third is some really interesting tangy notes coming through, kind of citrus peel and fresh lemonade coming through. Almost catches you by surprise on the top of the palate, just to kind of go, wow, there's a lot of zing that you weren't necessarily expecting. As you make your way into the middle third, that zing slightly softens, and there's some introductions of some, I'm going to say, sort of peppery notes, but also coffee. So almost coffee bean and kind of cracked black pepper that come through in there. Really interesting kind of juxtaposition between those two flavors. You don't necessarily expect either or, but they come in beautifully and they work really well together. As you make your way down to the final third, you're going to get a real intensity of pepper. That black pepper is going to change into more of a white pepper. On the retrohale, that's really going to hit you in the sinuses there, but it's palatable, and it's not going to kind of put you off or make you put the cigar down and, you know, look away or go for anything else. It works well with this just incredible mixture. And in that smaller, sort of more intense format, that 4x60, you get instant flavour almost from the first puff all the way through. There's no points where the flavour starts to sort of drift off and you're just smoking a cigar for the sake of smoking a cigar. It keeps your interest going all the way through. Now, if that sounds like something you'd like to try for yourself, head over to the website right now. That's cigars.com. That's cigars.com. If you've liked this video, as always, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and let me know in the comments section what my next New World Cigar of the week should be. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves. Peace.